Guess what?
What?
I love you.
What? You love me? Guess what, Mom?
What?
I'm gonna kick your ass.
Guess what?
What?
I love you.
What? You love me? Guess what, Mom?
What?
I'm gonna kick your ass. Were you marrying me? Why? So we could eat wedding cake. Is it chocolate cake? Who cares? It's this big and it got frosty. Apologize.
Oh, I won't do that. Apologizing is for the weak and wrong, which is why you should do it to me because you are weak and wrong.
Hi, I'm your therapist. Hi. Are you depressed? Yes. I'm sorry to hear that. Your whole life's a fucking mess. What? Let me guess. You've got some childhood trauma. Maybe didn't get enough love from your mama. Bitch, I'm a therapist.
Repeat after me. I can do this.
I can do this.
I'm ready to burn some calories.
I'm ready to burn some calories.
I'm done eating fast food and drinking alcohol.
I'm ready to burn some calories.
All